Hey guys, I bought a 3DR Solo on eBay, and pretty good deal. It came with the backpack, the actual 3DR backpack. It came with the Solo, extra props, 3 batteries, chargers, the transmitter of course. It came with a gimbal and a GoPro Hero 3 Black. I got it for $280. It didn't say if it worked. It was assumed that it worked, and I got it, started taking it apart to see what revision the GPS board was, and it is a revision B, but I think I found out why it was for sale. That white wire was pinched, and just by checking it out there, it went ahead and broke the rest of the way. It had been pinched. The previous user had the GPS shield, a 3D printed one, installed, and it looks like when he reinstalled it put the screws down, it pinched that white wire right there on that screw mount. So we're going to fix it. It worked. I plugged it in before. I took it apart to check the GPS revision, and it powered on. I powered it on without the propellers, so it did what it was supposed to do. Then the gimbal worked. So I think this is gonna end up being a good deal. We'll start the repair now.
Move that compound. Yeah, because it's just a through wire. It looks like the tension on this has caused some of the threading to come out anyway, so yeah, that's the best thing to do. Real easy first thing. Remove the old wire. Well, this one I have soldering braid. Remove the extra solder from the joint. Clean that up nice. Use a sponge to clean the top side a little better. Rubber would prevent the solder from going through the hole. A little wire strip here. Twist it back. Just so happens I found another white 28 gauge wire in the scrap pile. What was that from? The line leading to a CCFL on an old LED screen. Perfect. Got a little flux. Dip those wire ends in the flux. And tin those leads. Okay, take a little piece of heat shrink here, slide it over one end. I neglected to tin the original wire. Okay, now I got them twisted together correctly. Come back in here. Use a little solder to join them so they won't untwist. Cool for a second. Little tug, won't come apart. Slide that over it. You want the heat gun? I can just use the soldering iron if you don't want to break it out. I'll break it out. I like the heat gun. Well, that tightened up good. Yep. Still flexible. A little warm. Can now release the hemostats. Sure I didn't damage the wire. Crimping it is the whole point of having to do the repair. Okay. Make sure that fits through there. We have plenty of extra length. Don't want to get on anything that clip that down a little shorter. Touch of flux. We could use our new hot glue on that too. Hold that in. One of the things about being a 3M tech is learning how to do 3 things with one hand at the same time. Hold it in place long enough for the solder to cool. There we go. Now you just gotta test it.
There it is. Plug back in. Now we'll make sure the cables are all out of the way when we put the lid back on. And we'll give it a shot. We'll slide it in here in a moment. I'm not going to put that last cover back on until we know it's
operational.
Until we know we don't have to take it apart again. Okay, let's take it outside.
Alright. Push the power. I'm going to turn the transmitter on first. And then I'll plug it in. There's the battery lights. Beeps. Waiting for solo. Well, hey, I mean, it turned on. Did it not turn on before? It turned on and everything spun up before, but I noticed that broken wire. See, there we got battery. Oh, we're searching for GPS now. Oh, that's bright on there. Okay, searching for GPS. I don't remember how long it took last time. Oh, look, there we go. Just bumped up to 5. God, that's close. 6. I think it's got to get like 10 or 12 before it's happy. Come to find out during the dead spot. Wouldn't be surprised. I think last time it went up to 10 or 12. We got that cell tower right there. I don't know if that has any interference or not.
Yeah. Hold fly to start the motors.
So there we go. So
Now you just need wings, rotors, whatever.
yep. Propellers. Now it thinks it's going to land. I think that was a success. All right.
You won't know until you crash it. I mean, fly it.
That's true.